So here in this problem, we are being provided with the value of cosine alpha and sine beta. We will need to find out the value of sine squared alpha minus beta over 2. Let us begin. Now to solve this problem, we will be using a formula. We know for a fact that if we have, let's say, cosine of 2x, then this is also expressible in three forms. One of the form will be 1 minus 2 times sine squared x. Now we can rearrange the terms to rewrite sine squared x. So sine squared x is going to be equals to 1 minus cosine of 2x divided by 2. Now in our case, x here is representing alpha minus beta over 2. So that means let x be equals to alpha minus beta over 2, which means that our formula is going to become sine squared alpha minus beta over 2. We are replacing the value of x with alpha minus beta over 2. This will be equals to, we'll take half as the common factor. Half will get multiplied to 1 minus cosine of, now here we have 2x. So we have x given here. So 2x will simply become alpha minus beta. So this is the simplified form of the given function sine squared alpha minus beta over 2. Now furthermore, we know that cosine alpha minus beta, this is the cosine of a difference of two angle. This is the cosine of the compound angle, which we can further break it down into a given formula. We know that cosine, let's write down the formula that we will be using here. Cosine of A minus B. That's given by cosine of the angle A times cosine of the angle B. And since there's a minus sign here, we're going to use positive. So this will be sine of angle A times sine of angle B. Now similarly in our case here, we can expand cosine of alpha minus beta to get cosine of alpha times cosine of beta. So here we have a positive sign, so negative times positive will make it negative. Sine alpha times sine beta. So this is going to be the value of sine squared alpha minus beta over 2. However, in the problem, we are only provided with the value of cosine alpha and sine beta. So our goal will be to find out the value of cosine beta and sine alpha. So that's a very simple task. So we have, so let's write it down, cosine alpha given by 11 over 61. Now to find out the value of sine alpha, we can use the fact that sine alpha equals the square root of 1 minus cosine squared alpha. So if we replace the value of cosine alpha with 11 over 61, then sine alpha is going to give us 60 over 61. And we have the value of sine beta. So sine beta equals to 4 over 5. So cosine beta, which is given by the formula, the square root of 1 minus sine squared beta. So replacing sine beta with 4 over 5, cosine beta comes out to be 3 over 5. So let's use all of these values here. So we have half multiplied to 1 minus cosine alpha. Cosine alpha is 11 over 61. Multiplied to cosine beta, so that's 3 over 5. Minus, we need sine alpha. So sine alpha, we obtained, that's 60 over 61. Multiplied to sine beta, so sine beta is 4 over 5. So when we compute this, we are going to get the result as 16 divided by 305. So this is going to be the value of sine squared alpha minus beta over 2.